Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a short video. I was sitting here at my desk and I was editing a video for tomorrow, and I want to see what kind of content that you guys want me to produce on my channel. So if you don't mind, could you put it down in the comment section and let me know what you would like for me to do on my channel, what kind of content that you would like for me to put out for you guys. So yeah, you guys, please put that down in the comment section and I will try my best to get those videos out for you guys. Thank you guys so much for all the support, and I will see you guys soon. Bye guys.
I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that.